Hey gang, this is Randy with RANDOG1951. Quick video on modifying my Bilt weed whacker. It's out of tune. It has a new spark plug, but it's harder than heck to start. So they want about $17 for a special tool for these. Let me show you. These carburetor adjusters. One's low and one's high. 17 bucks. So I was using an electrical butt connector in there, and that was kind of a pain. Maybe I've already said it, but they want like $17 for the specialty tool to adjust these. So I've had this. It's a cheapy Harbor Freight little drill. And last week I picked up a little diamond cutting wheel, and I'm cutting into it so that I can use a flathead screwdriver and adjust it. So bear with me. Let's see how it works. Let me get a screwdriver. Oh, there's a Phillips head. Let's see if it works. Hang on. Oh, this screwdriver's too big. Alrighty then. There we go. Success. Right on. So I hope this will help somebody. Have a safe Labor Day weekend, and take care.